What are the definitions of a YouTuber, content creator, and influencer? Here are the clear definitions of a YouTuber, content creator, and influencer, along with how they differ. 1. YouTuber. A YouTuber is someone who creates and uploads videos specifically to the YouTube platform. Key traits: publishes content on a YouTube channel. Can focus on any niche, vlogs, tutorials, gaming, news, etc. May or may not appear on camera. Primary goal is to grow an audience on YouTube. Example: a person who uploads weekly tech review videos to their channel. 2. Content creator. A content creator is a broader term for anyone who produces and publishes digital content across any platform. Key traits: makes videos, blogs, podcasts, graphics, social media posts, etc. Can post on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, blogs, podcasts, etc. Focuses on sharing value, education, or entertainment through content. Example: someone who posts reels on Instagram, writes blog posts, and uploads YouTube videos about travel. 3. Influencer. An influencer is someone who has built a strong online following and can influence the opinions, behaviors, or purchasing decisions of their audience. Key traits: often collaborates with brands or promotes products. May use YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or other platforms. Focus is on engagement and audience trust. Example: a fitness personality who recommends workout gear or supplements to their large Instagram following.